one oil that will stop your hair fall and grow thick long hair. Castor oil is incredibly beneficial oil that can treat a vast number of health conditions and ailments. Castor oil has been traditionally used as a beauty product for centuries. Unfortunately, it has been replaced with expensive, commercial products these days, which are often loaded with dangerous chemicals. Castor oil has potent antibacterial and antifungal properties and is a rich source of minerals, vitamins like vitamin E, proteins, and omega-6 and 9 beneficial fatty acids. It offers amazing effects for the skin and hair, as it is extremely rich in ricinoleic acid. It has been traditionally used as a topical treatment of acne and various skin conditions, rashes, hair loss, etc. When applied on the scalp, it prevents and treats hair loss. Its strong antibacterial and antifungal properties fight scalp infections, folliculitis, and dandruff, while the ricinoleic acid boosts the circulation to the scalp and thus helps hair growth. This acid also balances the pH levels of the scalp, supports the natural oils, and neutralizes the negative effects of the chemicals in shampoos, conditioners, and other hair care products. It is high in nutrients and offers potent medicinal properties. Besides the fact that it is inexpensive and affordable, it can work wonders when it comes to your skin and hair. Due to its thick consistency, you might find it tricky to apply directly, so you should dilute it before use. Mix it with coconut oil in equal amounts, and apply this beneficial combination onto the scalp and the damaged, dry, and split ends. Leave it to act for an hour. To spread it better, you can massage the scalp. Repeat this twice a week, before you wash your hair. If you want to treat the dry and split hair ends, apply it daily. Just take a few drops in the palm, and rub it on frizzy and dry hair. Leave it to act during the night. Try it right away, and the effects will shock you.